Have no friends? Here's what you can do to thrive. I have no friends. It's a statement you've heard from actresses like Selena Gomez or Diane Keaton, or you've even said it yourself. It feels hopeless and unchangeable. Loneliness is a growing global concern. 6 fun activities for people with no friends. If having no friends keeps you stuck at home, it's time to change that. There are fun activities you can do, even if you have no one to join you. Number 1. Visit an art museum. Whether you have an art museum in your city or it involves a day trip, this solo activity is often economical and is a great starter activity to do on your own. Number 2. Sign up to learn something new. Learning is great for your brain. Every time you learn something new, it creates neurons in your brain. New neurons help to develop a stronger, healthier brain. Ideas of new things to learn. Art classes, painting, drawing, pottery, basket weaving, needlepoint, etc. Another language. Surfing, chess, deep water swimming, singing, dancing, salsa, ballroom, line dancing, hip-hop. Number 3. Teach English to refugees. Did you know there are over 1 million refugees in the US and 82 million refugees globally? According to the data, around 72% of refugees are functionally illiterate, making assimilation and success difficult in America. Refugees don't have friends, and navigating a new culture in a new country is overwhelming. If you feel socially awkward, just imagine what they are going through. Teaching English to refugees is an important skill to improve their quality of life. As you teach them English, you can share more about your culture while learning about theirs. If you find it difficult to interact with people from different cultures, this will help you develop empathy. As you extend hospitality to displaced people, you may find your social skills blossoming without you even noticing it. Action steps. If you live in a big city, look for nonprofits working with refugees. You can also check bulletin boards with announcements offering refugee services. If you live in a smaller community, contact churches. Catholic and Lutheran churches are a good starting point if they have historically organized refugee care, or the Department of Human Services. Search by state on the UNHCR Office of Refugee Settlement. Number 4. Help an adult learn to read. Why not be a friend to an adult who never acquired literacy? 43 million Americans have low literacy skills. You're the perfect person to help. If you don't have friends, you know what it feels like to be isolated or even dismissed by other people. No need to worry that you don't have the skills necessary. Literacy councils train you and provide the materials you need before sending you out. Pro tip: ask your literacy council if they have a program working in jails or prisons. Number 5. Volunteer for story time at the library. There are a few reasons you need to do this. You're awkward, and you need to practice being in front of people. Kids are often more accepting than adults, so this is a good starter task for you. Kids have parents, or guardians, so you can talk to adults in a controlled setting. Remote Storytime volunteer opportunities. Do a quick Google search. Make this something you can do from the security of your home. We should all be investing in kids in some way. You can practice projecting your voice and speaking with authority. Number 6. Visit a nursing home. An estimate of 60% of residents in nursing homes doesn't receive visitors. That's heartbreaking, and you can make a difference. Elderly people living in nursing homes want care of. You have no friends. Feel awkward in social situations. You don't like how you look. Drive a car from the 90s. You usually avoid talking to anyone except your cat. You haven't accomplished any of the societal expectations of success. Many people are intimidated by the thought of visiting a nursing home. Don't be. This is the best way to practice your conversation skills with folks who would love to talk to you. It might be uncomfortable at first, but remember, each person in that nursing home is a person with hopes and dreams and feelings. Yes, you can still have goals at 92. Talk to them the way you'd like to have a conversation. You may have to repeat yourself or speak a little louder. Ask your new friend questions, and then listen. Hanging out with older people is a great way to practice your listening and other people's skills.